With your COVID response kit, you have your inspections in your plan builder, but you can use it for a lot of other stuff for free without paying for additional suites for like environmental or health and safety. One of the ways you can do that is if you come down here in the record section, there's actually a tasks function. And I can create tasks like this reorder face mask, but what I can set up is I can put, it can be maintenance tasks, it can be inspection tasks, whatever you want to build into this. So one of the things I could say is I need an annual inspection for my oil water separator. And I can assign it a due date here. So I'm going to assign this July 17th, and I'm going to assign it to myself. And I've got a COVID-19 response category here, but I'm just going to do an O&M category here. And this is schedule and conduct oil water separator inspection. I can even put a photo if I am not sure where, if the staff that are going to be doing this know exactly where to go or what to do. And this is going to show up in the tasks, and you can see the completed task down here. The other places, it'll show up in the reminders, the upcoming items. Beyond just checking on face masks for something like COVID, you can also see your annual inspection for your oil water separator here.